I was really in the perfect position to take a whole novel workshop because I was working on a middle grade adventure called FREYA the Mighty, and I was working on the second draft, and I really needed that holistic feedback. And the idea of having a dedicated faculty reader who reads your entire novel can really help you with the plotting and the themes and the voice. And the course itself was fantastic. We had the brain trust, and it's basically, rather than like a critique group where people read your pages and say, this is your strengths and weaknesses, and this is what I like, and this is where I think you need work, you get the floor, and it's sort of like a brainstorming development meeting where you ask the questions and you ask specific things. So it's really quite different, even though it sort of sounds the same. That was really helpful. And I had this journey where my agent had read the first draft. She had a particular issue with the approach I was taking. And then I had Erin Entrada Kelly as my faculty reader mentor person. And she had the same issue. I was like, oh man, I wanted to find a happy medium because I didn't want to let go of that thing that was really important to me. And because I was there for 5 days, and because we had writing time, I thought of a happy medium, and I actually got to write out a few scenes using that alternate, slightly altered approach, and read them to Erin, and then we got to discuss them. I had that breakthrough of how I could honor my original vision, sort of get away from this issue that, she had, and my agent has to love the book because she can't sell it if she doesn't love the book. And because I was there in person and had time to write, it was like, I thought I should try this. And here's what I did. Do you think this is working better? And she was able to say, yeah, it is. You're close. But how about if you do this one other thing to hit it home? And I was like, yes. And so it was really great fun. And it was really, really helpful.